So for today's video guys, time check 2:55 p.m. here in the Philippines. So my my babies, my kiddies sleep. So Inday also sleep. So the two Marias sleep. The two Marias sleep. See? My two Marias sleep. My two Marias is asleep. May palangging. Just now. Kabuki the kuf. So now, sleep the two Marias. So, you know what will I do now? I hang the clothes. Because I always I finish laundry the clothes. So, you know what will I do? I hang because still sleep. While they are sleeping, I have to quickly my work. And I cleaning the house. So bye bye. Thank you for watching.